Have you ever wondered what causes thunderstorms? It all starts with the sun, heating the Earth's surface. As the ground warms up, it heats the air above it. Rising warm air. This warm air rises because it's lighter than the cooler air around it. As it ascends, it carries moisture from the surface with it. Forming clouds. As the moist air rises higher into the atmosphere, it cools down. When the temperature drops down enough, the moisture condenses into tiny water droplets, forming cloud. The tower cumulonimbus clouds. Sometimes, these clouds grow really big and tall. We call these special clouds cumulonimbus clouds. They're the ones that make thunderstorms. Inside these clouds, the air is super busy. Warm air keeps going up, and cool air and rain come down. This movement makes the cloud very active. All this busy air makes the cloud get charged up with electricity, kind of like when you rub a balloon on your hair and it sticks. When the cloud gets too charged, it needs to let out that energy. Zap. That's when we see lightning. It's a big flash of electricity, and the lightning makes the air around it so hot that it makes a loud sound we call thunder. Thunderstorms also bring lots of rain and wind. The rain helps cool things down and water the plants. So next time you see dark clouds and hear thunder, you'll know it's the sun, warm air, and busy clouds all working together to make a thunderstorm. Nature is amazing.